Good morning for this Wednesday, January 8th, and I found out what I think to be a pretty good trade setup in the stock BIIB, Biogen, right here, BIIB. Market has successfully tested this low right here between the blue action zone, right in here, created a tight little inside bar here. We got a tight little inside vertical bar here, and I think this market could pop up. We just took out that high, so look at this. Yesterday's high was 277.17, so look at on something like this, you could either buy the stock or, of course, you could buy a call option. And the call option I would recommend would be a deep in the money call. And since it's January, I'd probably go February. Deep in the money call, probably 2 strikes lower than where you're looking to buy. You're looking to buy this market about 277.37, roughly 20 cents above yesterday's high of 277.17. So as the market hit that price, a definite, a call option deep in the money going long. So this is the trade on this stock. And look at, if you take a look at, again, I like to go to Zacks, ZACKS.com, hit earnings, and simply type in the stock symbol, and it tells you when it's going to report next. Click that, and it reports on the 27th. Okay, the next earnings report is on January 27th. So again, any trade that I look for, if I'm looking to put on a trade, I could just go to Zacks, hit earnings, and type in the symbol, and it tells me when it reports next. So that is just something quick and dirty, something easy. So again, Biogen, BIIB, very, very low risk trade, right? Buying this market at 277.37, right? Opened up today at 276.64, traded down and traded right up through it. Your initial stop on this is below the low of the inside pattern, right? So your stop would be at 273.25, 273.25, long at 277.35. So you're risking about 4 points on this. That's it. And you're looking for the market to move. You're looking for the market to retest minimum this high here at 82.52. All right. So you're looking for at least a 5-point pop up into this area. As it starts to approach this high of 282.52, you'd be bringing that stop to break even. But again, look at this trade. A very, very defined risk, right? Looking to go long right here with a stop right below here, because in order for you to get stopped out on the day of entry, the market would have to create an engulfing pattern, right? Take out the high, reverse, and take out the low. And you won't want to be there anyways if the market takes out that low. So it's a very, very low risk trade with what I think to be a lot of opportunity on the upside. And especially if you buy the call option, the return on your trade is going to be much, much higher, obviously. Now, real quick, again, I want to urge you to go to the video that Doc has put out. The URL to that video is tradingconceptsinc.com/fractal, FRACTAL -energy-trading. Okay, it's that simple. So go to tradingconceptsinc.com/fractal-energy-trading. Doc's video is fantastic. You'll learn a whole lot from that video. Also, he's putting on a class this Saturday. So again, I urge you to check that out. Well worth it. He's talking about fractal trading, which is phenomenal. And so just go check it out for yourself. And again, back to the BIIB stock trade. As you can see, the market did in fact penetrate up to the 277.17 to 37, and we are up to 279.48 right now. On a trade like this, basically you could move that stop up to below today's intraday low of 274.25 to 273.95. because chances are if the market reverses and takes out today's intraday low, the market will probably go lower. So that looks like a pretty good trade. And again, looking at the market retesting this low within this blue action zone 2 days ago and then creating a tight little inside bar tells me that this market wants to go higher. So we'll see if that's the case. Let's take a look at the overall market now real quick. We'll look at that on the SSI. Again, just trading down off the all-time highs put in place on December 31st of 2013. This is this year so far. Just kind of going sideways, kind of a holding pattern in here. It'll be interesting to see if we can come back up and test that high, or if we break down through this low. If we break down through this low, right, if we break down through Monday's low, I believe we will move lower, and I'm hoping we come back down to that 50 exponential moving average. Hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.